Quiet! Now you melt, little girl. If you'd focused on me, you could have easily dodged my little ball of acid. Instead, you chose to sacrifice yourself to save a runt. You're a fool, but I give you credit for giving me a few scratching.
Justice Crash!
I'm bored already. Huh?
Taking you on right here and right now!
Enough of your rambling! Time to finish you off! A waste of time.
Nice fight, man. You should be proud of yourself.
Yet another piece of garbage washed up on my sword!
Whoa! Hey, Genos! Are you still alive?
I've got to pound the sea freak, or whatever it's called.
I heard that! Impressive! Still on your feet after one of my punches! Clearly you're different from the rest of this trash!
Huh? Your punch had no power behind it, that's all.
I am the absolute peak of a pyramid that includes every living organism on this world! Defying me means...
Yeah, I got it. It's raining out, so let's get this over with. Well, that was lame. I kinda had my hopes up, too.